All right, so I want to now bring in my colleagues on the ground. Early this morning, what is Study Delhi looking like? On the ground, as we go across to our colleagues who've been all these weeks, remember, consistently tracking the highs and the lows of the political discourse, what our netas have to say. Amit Bhardwaj is joining me. Shreya Chatterjee is also at one of the polling booths. Shivani Sharma is right there in Lutyens, Delhi. Let me first come to you, Amit. The day is finally here. Are Delhi residents early risers, early voters, or they like to take their own sweet time?
Pooja, the polling station where I'm standing, apparently the voters out here are quite active. I think, ma'am, you have already cast your vote. You are about to go to vote. Many of the voters have already gone inside the polling station. Ma'am, what has been your core issue in this particular election as you go on to vote today?
The particular election is the corruption. No development in the Delhi. Delhi has become garbage. What can we more say?
Pollution is the core issue for you this time.
For me, the garbage in the Vasundhara enclave is absolutely my issue.
The key issue. Okay. Yeah. And that's what makes this election quite interesting, Pooja, that as voters would be stepping out of their homes this morning and going on to cast their vote, many of the voters are already returning after, casting their vote. For them, in this particular election, unlike 2015 and 2020, there is no certain wave in favor of a political party or against a political party. Rather, it is the local issues. It's going to be seat-to-seat election that Delhi is going to witness after nearly a decade. There's no cult kind of leadership that's being, a major factor. Sir, you have already cast your vote. Could you show us your inked finger? So this is the finger which motivates you to step out of your home, sir. What's your name? What's been your key agenda to cast your vote this morning?
Change. My name is Sanjay Dubey and key agenda is change. Yeah.
Okay.
Change is the only thing which is constant.
Okay. So right there, voters also indicating at their preferences, but it's clearly a motivating factor. That inked finger is what gives you immense power, right? In the electoral
area is this, Amit, quickly, for the viewer who may not know, where are you standing right now? Yes. The woman speaking about garbage and change and pollution is an issue. Where are you presently? Amit, quickly.
Pooja, this is East Delhi's Kondli assembly seat, and the garbage pile of Gazipur is not far off from here, and that is why it's a reality. Pollution is a reality for the people living in these areas, even despite the fact that they live in posh apartments out here. But cleanliness, garbage, air pollution are the real challenges that they face.
So yes, East Delhi, that's important. That's been an important area. We saw that's where also Manish Sisodia shifting from Patparganj towards Jangpura. Look at that, Sandeep Dixit. Realizing the political survival at stake. Remember, this is as personal to him as well. He's now contesting against the man who turned into a giant after defeating Sheila Dixit in 2013-2015. And therefore, one of the first voters from the Congress party. Sandeep Dixit there, casting his vote early this morning. It's just about 7 a.m. And Sandeep Dixit, at least one of the leaders who I can see. Kumar Kunal spoke to him. Let's listen into that.
संदीप दीक्षित हमारे साथ है। संदीप जी, आज वोटिंग का दिन कितना बड़ा दिन समझते हो, खासतौर पे नई दिल्ली के लिए, क्योंकि बड़ा कैंपेनिंग तो आपकी बहुत जबरदस्त रही है, लेकिन आगे क्या?
देखिए, सब कुछ हो चुका है। आज तो मैं कोई पार्टी की बात नहीं करूंगा। मैं कहूंगा सब लोग बाहर निकलें, एक नागरिक की तरह वोट करें, एक अच्छी दिल्ली के लिए वोट करें, जो आपको लगे कैंडिडेट के आपके बीच में काम कर सकता है, जिसने ईमानदारी से आपसे बातचीत की है, अपनी बात बताई है, और जो आपके इलाके के लिए बेहतर दिल्ली करेगी, उस पार्टी के लिए वोट करें, उस कैंडिडेट के लिए वोट करें और निकल के वोट करें।
लेकिन आपका मुकाबला जो है वो अरविंद केजरीवाल से।
आज मैं नहीं चाहता कि किसी से भी मुकाबला है। मुकाबला असली में हमारे लोगों की अपेक्षाओं का है। अगर उनकी अपेक्षाओं में हम खरे उतरते हैं तो वो वोट देंगे, और मैं आशा करूंगा लोग अपनी सही अपेक्षाएं रखें और उसके हिसाब से कैंडिडेट और पार्टी चुनें।
कॉन्फिडेंस या नर्वसनेस?
नो नर्वसनेस, कॉन्फिडेंस है। इलेक्शन आते हैं, इलेक्शन जाते हैं। हमारा हमेशा काम रहता है कि राज्य की, स्टेट की, लोगों की वेलफेयर के लिए, बेहतरी के लिए काम करें।
तो मतलब आज पूरे दिन इलाके में रहना है क्या?
हाँ, आज पूरे दिन इलाके में।
चलिए, तो इलाके में रहना है और गाड़ी में चढ़ भी गए हैं, वोट डालने के लिए जा रहे हैं। संदीप दीक्षित कह रहे हैं क्या कि कोई नर्वसनेस नहीं है और लोगों को कहेंगे क्या कि वो निकलें, वोट डालें और निश्चित तौर पर दिल्ली का विकास हर किसी का एजेंडा। कैमरामैन नासिर खान के साथ
Kumar Kunal, early this morning, remember the sun is still rising, but for the key candidates, they are up and about, possibly didn't even get any sleep last night, but the voter has made the decision in Delhi. And Delhi, I hope you make me proud. I'm a Delhi voter. We do not want a 50-60% voter turnout. We want at least 70%. Come out in large numbers and vote. Now, of course, look at that, God's blessings being sought. Parvesh Verma, there early this morning.